Hello students, we'll be starting with unit number 4, security requirement. Under this unit, the first topic which we are going to study is IPsec, or it is Internet Protocol Security, or we can also call it as security at the network layer. So let us understand in which layer of TCP/IP protocol suite this IPsec protocol is working. So as you have seen, IPsec is a network layer security protocol. So it is working at the network layer. It is a supporting protocol for the Internet Protocol version 4 or version 6. So it is working along with Internet Protocol, that is IP, at the network layer. So why this IPsec protocol or security at the network layer is required? Because there are many routing protocols which are directly using the services of Internet Protocol, and these protocols requires the security at the network layer. So there is a protocol IPsec to provide the security. So IPsec is basically a collection of protocol which is designed by the Internet Engineering Task Force, that is IETF, to provide the security for a packet at the network layer. The network layer in the internet, it is often referred to as the Internet Protocol, or we always call it as a IP layer. So IPsec helps to create the authenticated and confidential packets for the IP layer. Now let us understand where we can use this IP security or applications of IPsec. So IPsec provides the capability to secure the communications across a LAN, across the private and public WANs, and across the internet. So where we can use this IPsec protocol? So first application of that is it can be used to secure the branch office connectivity over the internet. So if a company can build a secure virtual private network over the internet or over a public WAN, then this enables a business to rely heavily on the internet and reduce its need for private networks. So which will eventually result in saving the cost and the network management overhead. Another application can be a secure remote access over the internet. At the end user whose system is equipped with IP security protocol, they can make a local call to an ISP's internet service provider and gain secure access to a company network. So this will reduce the cost of toll charges for traveling employees and telecommuters. Then establishing the extranet and intranet connectivity with partners. So IPsec can be used to secure the communication with other organizations, ensuring the authentication and confidentiality and providing a key exchange mechanism. And another application can be enhancing the e-commerce security. So even though some web and electronic commerce applications, they are having a built-in security protocol, the use of IPsec will enhance that security. This use of IPsec will guarantee that all traffic which is designated by the network administrator is both encrypted as well as authenticated, and adding an additional layer of security to whatever is provided at the application layer. So the principal features of IPsec that enables it to support these varied applications is that it can encrypt or authenticate all the traffic at the IP level. Thus, all the distributed applications can be secure. Now, this is the scenario, IPsec scenario. So an organization which maintains the LAN at dispersed locations, non-secure IP traffic is conducted on each LAN. So for the traffic outside through some sort of private or public WAN, IPsec protocols are basically used. So this protocol operates in networking devices such as routers or firewall that connect each LAN to the outside world. The IPsec networking devices will typically encrypt and compress all traffic which is going into the WAN and decrypt and decompress the traffic, incoming traffic, which is coming from the WAN. So these operations are transparent to workstations and servers on the LAN. The secure transmission is also possible with the individual users who dial into the WAN. So such user workstation must implement the IPsec protocol to provide the security. Now let us see what are the benefits of using this IPsec. So when IPsec is implemented in firewall or in routers, it provides strong security that can be applied to all the traffic which is crossing the perimeter. So traffic within a company or a work group does not incur any extra overhead of security related processing. Then IPsec in a firewall is resistant to bypass if all traffic from outside must use IP and the firewall is the only means of entrance from the internet into the organization. Then the IPsec is below the transport layer as it is working at a network layer, and in the transport layer we have TCP and UDP protocols. And so in the it is transparent to the applications. So there is no need to change the software on a user or a server system when IPsec is implemented in the firewall or in the router. So even if the IPsec is implemented in the AIM system, the upper layer software, including the application, is not affected. And IPsec can be transparent to end user. There is no need to train the users on security mechanisms, issue keying material on a per user basis, or revoke the keying material when the users leave the organization. So these are the benefits of using IPsec.